Hi guys, I will show you simple tricks in Excel using format cells. So let's start. I have one Excel data with many mobile numbers and I want to add plus 91. So if you add plus 91 before mobile number manually, it will take more time. So I will help you here to save your time to append any value in the column. So let's start with simple example. Select all the mobile numbers here and right click, go to format cells, select custom and select general. Here from text box you can remove general and type what you need to append. Now I will append plus 91 and giving one space and adding 10 digit because your mobile number 10 digits. So as per your value you can add the a 0 and click OK. So now you can see plus 1 added automatically for all the rows. Thank you watching for this video. If this video will help you, please like and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get all the new videos. uh, Thank you guys. See you on next video. Thank you.